Welcome back to our channel. Today, we are going to review the Qniglo Rechargeable Kids Walkie Talkies. As a parent, I always worry about the safety of my kids when they're playing outside, especially when they're out of sight. But with these walkie talkies, I can now communicate with them easily. So, let's start with the features. These walkie talkies are built in with safe rechargeable Li-ion batteries, so you don't have to worry about constantly buying new batteries. Plus, with a long battery life, these rechargeable walkie talkies for kids can support up to 24 hours of talking time and 5 days of standby. The Qniglo walkie talkies also feature an FM radio function, so your kids can listen to music or real-time news on the FM while they're out playing. The sound quality is so clear that you can hear each other within a 2-mile range. And with 22 channels and codes to choose from, you can set up seamless communication with your kids. The box function makes it even easier for kids to communicate as they don't have to stop and press any buttons while answering calls. Plus, the key lock feature ensures that kids can't mess with the settings. You can enjoy up to 3 miles of uninterrupted wireless communication with these walkie-talkies. And let's talk about the packaging. The Qniglo Rechargeable Kids walkie-talkies come in 2 adorable colors and are packaged in a stylish gift box, making them perfect for gifting. They're a wonderful birthday, Easter, Valentine's Day, Children's Day, or Christmas gift for kids aged 3 to 12 years old. And finally, Qniglo is an FCC certified brand and their materials are kid-friendly. You also get a USB cable and user manual with your purchase. Plus, if you face any issues with the product, they offer a 45-day money-back guarantee and responsive customer service. So, that's it for today's review. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more product reviews. See you in the next video.